Shubor Nakaslem Jong Unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba ke Jelau Konrad K Sangma ha ka jing sanran nang sembut Menteri Rangba Presiden Tan Song ringkat ki Menteri Sorkar ke Jela kila leban IT ke Song jing rap syaki santeli kilong gieng jong kila not ki bala khlat no ha ka jing syak siat ha ki nong tre ka tanat klau bar ki pulet jong ka Assam ka bala jah mukro ha ka arpo artarek uniu benai ya ka Song jing rap la IT da ka check ka ba marsan lak tingka hadien ka jing let IT ka Song jing rap Menteri Rangba ulaya kendo bat kinong elam snong ki bala pensngoi ki jing e bakila mat hagi ba buon pauteli ki snam ha ka te ka than ha ka jing kendo o Menteri Rangba bat kinong elam snong mukro bat kinong elam ka elaka labang nang phlot bat pangam ralyang block 1 kila dawa ban retransfer ni pen phai byang ya ka elaka labang nang phlot bat pangam ralyang block 1 cha Meghalaya bat ban buk tem sipai hamu koi lum
Situ baik? Situ baik? No.
Itu apa? Sudah apa?
Ini loh. Bila nanti kami list Nusidin menerap sikit.
Ya jadi, tapi mana ECM saya tu, kalau mbak, kerana kepengikuan menikmati kampung berpi kumti wahai senang berok, jom kena kiri ya. Kalau bangiru, nadin berkelan somit kampung ni kena kami merodok. Kebanir ayo ayo bila ayo di titik. Namar kejingi keren mentah kadang yang te hakawe David bakini ki isu bajian ni Malaysia ICM bagi baru menyelesaikan Delhi sebab mani keren pulang bah umno ban penting na baka song sup song sain kejing wit kejing ya kan don su nang ni sakmap bat ya kata mendai tang hang ni pembomot hakini baru kilai pun ruteli ke Krishna iba ong no iba usamla mane keren nomor ka isu pulang balada 4 la ai ban resolve ya kan isu ka mut kan ni kan ya jian ka pos tapi kebangamut penong kelomang ba ICM no ngiru lamane apa bangi wancane ngi keren mahai kan isu mereka ni isu kandang ya jia ladengin parla ban retransfano ya kitu dijaga kasih joni ya bade ban wancane to lanungin pendep ya kata min parla banong tang baka kam kelas tang kejing keren kelas tang tementa kebangi mut banong nak leng surkar kolomba kabagay ngin ikundu lasay berhukum minister hadal hiru kalong ban penting na kat bompat la ban pendep ya kini kikot kislala na kijingi keren kot kebejanai kebasani ban retransfano ikini kisnong kabamot ngin penting na ngin ong yo home minister jong surkar dia bu day ban penting na banum don syu ka kunum keram banum don kayo mesaw banum don kayo ya kum bakal ajia kum bilaman bro sekata kata ke dek ba don kami tina kaliang jong ICM in batai so ICM katu kami delong kejing tumu jong kolong bangyawan kenang ngiru nolor kini kejing cia nolong ikwa ban kedu ya piki ni nong sinsar senong bro di badon bro lai photo tulis nong Hakadin mapelawan kendo yang ipiru pilaya simkia bahai pilaya sulap bahai dengiru nak pilih surga rumah pinjam dan kat bapi dan rei seniu bok bajia kan kejinjia kap sumusi dengiwan kan ni bengin don betah bapi kelidu jom bejelar don betah bapi mangi borok ia don berkat bapi kumka surga mendaisu tangi kamu krok ia don kat bapi betah ia kilai peluru televisno kibat don hak mereka area jom ablok jadi kuat berpetik ya pi ya kan ni kubur bangi na kesorkar ni don kan berpi borok ke lai flu ni de kijing keren jom nang de semat kan nang yai de rei ko mo pingin penting na apa banang ni semat kat bom parla ban poi sekaya sai kot ya sai sla ban ye droy kamap ke babit ke babiang ban ong ban hoi ngaduk kini bro lai flu tri ka doi la de sangi kat bom pat poi kat kapur nak kalian kesorkar ni kala hapok jelam jom siem pun batai bat ngin ai ke jing penting na ba ka sorkar India kan penting na ba nam dei su ban don kanu ka jing kuri purana ni semat hakaya hakayen hakatre kata leni hakanu ka kam ka sile sim dawai ko piong na mar kan de tayo la ka don ka jing dia ba pimu ban ile ai dawai ru kim sha ini biasa di kum kita di su nomor balayu la daki kim la ban ai dawai ni le pum ni hapan ora nang ni hapan le ai kita di snong kadai kata kan thai ke jing ya ke jing temu ke jing mut jong pi ke noi lam snong dia nang adang yong pi banang ni semat ni dia penbet ya kata kenang banang ni semat kat bom patla ban pendep ya ban rakam ke bede bat ke boundary bakan don su pano no ke jing dia ade nang bot ke jing dia kususi ko mau pi ko ba ke jia menin mestep apo kan ka snong ke jong pi dan tapi dia
Kani ke jin sabsi yo lak no ko ujia di ni man. Wa bursin. Lalu di por menshua. La don ki bayat mang nak suri kumpan rumu. Ta hadin nang ta ki ke fras sambat shai wan kum nebe. Hadu po snon jugi kedang ya fayar. Hau ne sunam bagi ya pek thong ya kata ka pick up bag kidin. Henry ki ya set klumar po snon jungi. Tadon bok kata ka por mdon ba. Mdon ba susi. Na kata daung ni kepat juri pan yarab dah ini ban pembu no dai kerja pus kenapa ban lain no kena kerja sosial
man hiti por man siat di kulit asam oh ki siat onggi yo permission ra yo permission tekile yo ki permission siat ki fayarin man yo ki permission oh sar sloy di usia nut teman nga liang yo nga manis ni yo nga no man ong la bun dikit pus kat bun la yo permission am kam rai ka white klem pam yem to yem to so ka white pam mo boy yak seki man ni ka tenga ko ong man mana fa bi furs ni la e ki permission ni usia nin man eni ki so ngut itu siap man no permission nang ni permission no permission they don't dare to fire because they didn't have permission sorry don't give us permission to fire. So they just give it to me, sir. Give it hard now. So not nothing yet.
Everywhere around India, because on the very day we visit Shillong, most of the time we have to pay challan because we don't have any driving license, we don't have any proper document. Suppose my name is Kamingson. On the voter ID, it is supposed to say that maybe DKHER is my title. They instead that they will put DIKHERE with Dikhare or some Kamingkachan, some Tamah. Like that, in all our nickname, not our proper name. Sir, through this message, to please express the central government to favor us to return back home. We cannot bear anymore. Otherwise, we need gun to fight to save ourselves. Sir, that is a strong message. Please carry this message through the Home Minister also. We can never bear much more than we have faced. On that very day, I visit the areas of Alabang Nanglo where I coordinate about the GPS. What I found there, I took a photo of a little child naked. I feel shame myself to take the photos of that mothers because she is naked. The road they are going through, the leopard are also feeling tired to climb the road. What they have faced there, they drink the water they take back. So it is very, very, very unpleasant thing to see that. I saw in my own eyes. So sir, regarding this, we are face to face, we don't bring any documents in return also, sir. Please keep in mind and don't forget. As a chairman of Labang Nanglo, I request you to be our fighter, our heroes, a fighter of our heroes, not the one who who will tackle our problem only by promising. Please fight for us. As far previous, we saw that you are the front leader to fight for our society, for our states, for our community. So, sir, this is a little thing. According to me, it is a little thing to fight because only Tuthart, not much, not the whole area. Only these areas who are majority by the Khasi people. How many our economy had been raped, have been robbed, and our virginity had been raped. We cannot civilize anymore. Sir, we are hoping to see you before. If you deny the problem, it means we have to defend ourselves because we are not more than like the wild animal. The wild animal that keep in the zoo is protected, but we are not protected.